Welcome. Managing employee records, payroll, attendance, and HR processes can quickly become complicated without the right system. That's where GreytHR comes in. GreytHR is a powerful HR and payroll platform designed to help businesses automate routine HR tasks, manage employee data, process payroll accurately, and track attendance from one centralized system. By using an HR management platform like GreytHR, organizations can reduce manual work, improve accuracy, and streamline their HR operations. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what GreytHR is. GreytHR is a cloud-based HR and payroll management software that offers a wide range of features to automate HR functions. It enables HR professionals and business owners to efficiently manage employee data, payroll, attendance, leaves, compliance, and more. Key features of GreytHR. Before we get into the details of using the platform, let's take a quick look at some of the core features that make GreytHR stand out. GreytHR helps you automate payroll processing, calculate taxes, and generate pay slips in just a few clicks. It supports various pay structures, including salaries, bonuses, overtime, and deductions, ensuring accurate payroll calculations every time. With GreytHR, you can track employee attendance seamlessly. A system allows employees to log their in and out times, and HR can generate reports to analyze attendance patterns and take appropriate actions if needed. Leave management. GreytHR offers an easy way to manage employee leaves. Employees can request leaves directly through the platform, and HR can approve or reject them with just a few clicks. The system automatically updates the leave balances for each employee. Employee self-service portal. The self-service portal empowers employees by allowing them to view and update their personal information, download payslips, apply for leaves, and view attendance records, all through a single platform. Getting started with GreytHR. Now that we have a basic understanding of what GreytHR offers, let's walk through how to get started. Sign up for GreytHR. The first thing you need to do is to sign up for an account on GreytHR. If your company already uses GreytHR, you can ask your HR department to provide you with login credentials. If you are new to the platform, you can easily create an account by visiting the GreytHR website and choosing a suitable plan based on the size and needs of your organization. Setting up company details. Once you have logged in, the next step is to set up your company details. This includes entering your company name, address, tax information, and other essential details. This information will be used for generating reports, payslips, and tax calculations. Adding employees. After setting up your company, you will need to add employees to the system. GreytHR allows you to either manually add employees one by one or upload them in bulk using a CSV file. You will enter essential details such as employee name, designation, salary, joining date, and contact information. Once employees are added, they will have access to the employee self-service portal, where they can view their profile, update personal information, and manage their leave requests. Setting up payroll. The next step is to set up your payroll system. GreytHR lets you customize payroll components, including basic salary, allowances, bonuses, and deductions. You can also define pay cycles, whether it is monthly, bi-weekly, or weekly, and set up tax calculations. If your company offers benefits like Provident Fund or PF, employee state insurances, or SI or gratuity, GreytHR can help automate the calculations as well. Attendance and leave configuration. Once payroll is set up, it is time to configure attendance and leave policies. GreytHR allows you to define working hours, attendance rules, and holiday calendars. You can also set up leave policies such as sick leave, casual leave, and annual leave, as well as the approval workflow. For leave requests. Running payroll. After setting up all the parameters, running payroll is a breeze. You can either process payroll manually for each employee or use GreytHR automated payroll processing feature, which calculates the salaries, taxes, deductions, and generates payslips in seconds. Once the payroll is processed, employees will automatically receive their payslips on the self-service portal. As an HR admin, you can also download detailed reports related to payroll, taxes, and deductions. Employee self-service portal. One of the standout features of GreytHR is its employee self-service portal. This portal is designed to provide employees with a seamless experience. Here's what employees can do on the portal. View payslips. Employees can download their payslips anytime, allowing them to track salary details. Employees can easily request leaves, check their available leave balances, and track leave history. Employees can update their contact information, emergency contacts, and banking details. Employees can view their attendance details, including in or out times and total work hours. Employees can download their tax-related forms like Form 16, which simplifies tax filing. This self-service functionality reduces the administrative burden on HR teams and empowers employees to manage their own information. Advanced features. As you become more familiar with GreytHR, you can explore some of the advanced features. Performance management. This feature helps HR track employee performance, set goals, conduct performance reviews, and manage appraisals. Analytics and reports. GreytHR offers a robust reporting module that lets you generate insights on payroll, attendance, leave patterns, and employee performance. Exit management. GreytHR simplifies the employee offboarding process, helping HR teams manage exit interviews. Final settlements and other formalities. In conclusion, to sum up, GreytHR is a comprehensive and user-friendly HR and payroll management software that simplifies complex HR functions for businesses of all sizes. Whether you are handling payroll, attendance, leave management, or employee documents, GreytHR makes it easy to stay organized and compliant. By automating repetitive tasks and providing a self-service portal for employees, GreytHR saves time, reduces errors, and enhances the employee experience. With features like payroll processing, attendance tracking, tax compliance, and performance management, GreytHR helps HR professionals focus on more strategic tasks, ultimately contributing to the growth and success of the business. If you haven't yet, go ahead and try GreytHR for yourself. With its intuitive interface and robust features, you will soon realize how much easier managing HR tasks can be. Thank you for watching this GreytHR tutorial. Using an HR and payroll management system can help businesses simplify administrative tasks, maintain accurate employee records, and ensure smoother HR operations. Tools like GreytHR make it easier for organizations to manage their workforce efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials on HR software, business tools, and productivity platforms. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.